Hello, what if I tell you, please don't skip this ad and just give me 2 minutes to share my success story. Today is a beautiful day in this amazing and beautiful place, and I'm here to be thankful for my health, my family, my job, my side online business, which I'm grateful for having that because beside my main job, which is in construction field, I'm earning almost 4 times more than my salary. Uh, this business is an Amazon or crypto or trading or stock market. We will teach you with video-based training how to earn online from home or from anywhere in the world on social media platforms such as Google, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. This business is legit and you will pay tax for it. You will have a coach and a mentor who will help you in this amazing journey. Also, you will be a part of an online global community with 24/7 support. Whatever I just shared is real. To start, you have to register on my website with your name and your email and watch a free webinar. You will get automated emails from this amazing admin. Then, with only $149, which is refundable, you can pay with PayPal. You will register on 30 days trial, and you can learn how this business is working. It was blessing for me. Hope it will be blessing for you. I will see you in this amazing journey.